Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making a honey quick bread. This is a honey whole wheat quick bread. It's not completely whole wheat, but you get the idea. So easy to do, doesn't take a lot of ingredients, but one of the ingredients that we are using is our substitute buttermilk. If you want to learn how to make substitute buttermilk, just click that card up there. It will take you to the day where I make substitute buttermilk. All the ingredients are listed down below. Really easy to do. And I mean, it's sometimes right now hard because as of recording this, we are still in lockdown. It's hard to get all the ingredients that you need. But let's start this. I'm going to start off with my honey. There we go. And every recipe that starts off with honey has to be good. Then I'm going to add my molasses. Buttermilk. And even though that looked like a lot of more buttermilk than what it calls for, it wasn't. The top of it was a lot of foam. I am using a good pinch of sea salt. Then we are going to put this on low and let that go. While that is mixing up, I'm going to add in my baking soda. Then we're going to combine our two flours. My oven is preheated to 350 degrees. I'm going to put this down on low, add my flour to my buttermilk mixture. Once that's combined, give it a little stir. I'm going to pour this into my greased pan. Alright, I filled my two greased pans, and I'm going to take this over to my preheated 350 degree oven and bake this for about an hour, or until a cake tester stuck into the center comes out clean. You'll know when it's done. But let's get this going. Okay, it is out of the oven. This took way less time than what it did before. This was only 44 minutes, and the edges did get a little bit burnt, so I'm not real thrilled about that. However, there we go. Let's give this a taste, even with the burnt edges. Oh wow. Wow. Even with the overcooked edges on mine, you're going to have to watch yours much closer. Like I said, mine took 44 minutes. The first time that I did this, it took an hour. I don't know. It just depends upon the day. So I would watch this very carefully. However, even with the burnt edges, it's still really good. It is really, really good. And you do not taste the burnt even on this. So I'm going to say this actually, even though it did get more done than I wanted it to, it's still really good. I mean, like, really, really good. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. I hope you enjoyed this. Let me know down in the comments. I hope we get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.